Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you, I basically find out this website which is actually provides you with the free API key where you can actually call multiple AI models such as Claude, DeepSeek, Chat GPT, we have Quen as well. So once you go to this website, I have given the link in the description of the video. It's best open router alternative clod.io. So once you land on this website, you actually see the a landing page. It exactly tells you the premium models are there, more LLMs, more requests per day, and you can get a free API key. So 25 plus LLMs, you will see that. So now you click on the sign up button, and if you check the pricing right here, exactly in the free plan you get 30 plus AI models. You also get chat playground section, you also get API key, 100 free requests per day you get with a free account. So click on start free to actually log in with your Google account. So I am just trying this for almost 6 months and it is actually working. You can actually log in with multiple accounts to actually get free API key to enjoy the benefits of this website, and it actually works. I will show the overall process. So once you actually log in with this platform, you will be redirected to the dashboard section. So right here you get this section right here inside your dashboard. So automatically daily free request, you get almost 100 free request. And now to generate a API key, you click on generate, and now you simply give it a name and click on generate. And as soon as you do this, it actually provide you with these two information which is required. This is the endpoint where you will hit the endpoint, and this is your API key. So directly now if you want to call this, the best extension that I will show you in VS Code is this extension clean. So simply install this extension. It's a very good extension for calling AI. It's got almost 3 million installs. So I've already installed it. So once you install this, you will actually see this extension appearing in the sidebar section. And once you simply activate this extension, you will be able to go to the settings section right here. Just click the settings, and right here in the API provider, you simply select OpenAI compatible. So from here in the select box, you simply select OpenAI compatible, and then you simply paste this information that it gives you. This is the endpoint that it gives you. Simply copy this information and directly paste it. And then inside the API key section, you need to simply copy this API key and simply paste it here, and that's all that you need to do. And inside the model ID section here, you need to paste the actual model that you will be calling. So if you see, they also have the Discord group as well. You can even join the Discord group. And now to get the model name, you simply go to the sidebar section, click on models, and some models are free, some model are paid. So you click on the free model right here, so click on that and directly paste this name of the model from here, Coin 3. As you can see, this is the model name, and directly paste here. So that's all the configuration which is required right here. After you do this, click on the done button, and that's all that you need to do. And now if you see in the chat prompt, you can simply ask any kind of question right here. So I will simply say top node frameworks in 2026. So once you ask the question right here, it will actually respond to you. The API key will be utilized. So these are the free models which are there here. You can even click on this one as well, which is OpenAI. This is GPT OOS 120 billion. So now you can see that it actually writes a markdown file with the top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. So this is really very good website which allows you to create a free API key and with unlimited access to all the free models. And once it saves the markdown file, you can click the save button, and you will see that now it written this markdown file which is top Node.js frameworks in 2026. You can see that. So in a short amount of time, it actually research everything and return the response in a markdown file. So you can see task completed. And similarly, you can even ask a coding question as well. If I change this model from Quen 3 and replace it with the other model, which is GPT OSS 120 billion, click on done. So I can simply say build a image to PDF web application in browser, write all the code in indexed HTML file. So you can ask any kind of question right here in the chat prompt, and once you ask the question, you will see it will start generating the source code for you. So this is an ultimate website. Definitely visit. Simply try log in with your Google account. It will give you a free API key, and I am just finding out this to a great alternative. So you will see it is start editing, creating the file for you, indexed HTML. So it gives you 100 free requests per day, so which is more than enough. And once you actually make the request in the dashboard, if you see, you will see the request will be updated. So 100 request is more than enough to actually try out the platform. And if you do want to try out the premium models, you can simply click the plus icon and you can add a payment method, and this will actually add credits. So right here you simply type how much credits you want to purchase. So let's suppose I say $5. After that you add the credit card and then you can purchase credits. So it's a safe website, you can definitely do that. So you can even check out their documentation as well. So they have exactly tell you the step-by-step instruction to how to call the API. So you can even make a Python script as well, make a curl request. So this is also compatible in Node.js as well. So you will see that. So all the example code is given. So definitely check out. You will see it created this index HTML file for you, image to PDF converter. So it created this image to PDF converter right here. You will see that. So right here it exactly tells you how much requests you have made. Inside the activity section you see we have made 3 requests right here. So these are completely free request because it gives you 100 daily free request. So you can create multiple accounts through Google to actually try this. They also have a playground section as well. Right here you can actually directly select any kind of model from here. So some models are pro, some models are free. So directly select your model and you can ask anything. So as you see, all the models are there. So this is your project description. So here you will actually, so I think you can create multiple projects as well. That's also possible. So these are all the models which are supported by it. So definitely try this. I've given the link in the description of the video. Definitely try out this website to get your API key.